अहम खबर आप तक पहुंचाएं कि इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट ने इसराइली वज़ीराअज़म नेतन्याहू के वारंट गिरफ्तारी जारी करने का फैसला किया है। चीफ प्रोसिक्यूटर इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट करीम खान ने CNN को इंटरव्यू में बताया कि जंगी जराइम पर नेतन्याहू और इसराइली वज़ीर दिफा के वारंट मांगे जाएंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि 7 अक्टूबर के हमलों पर हमास के रहनुमाओं इस्माइल हानिया और याहिया सिंवार समेत 3 रहनुमाओं के वारंट गिरफ्तारी भी जारी किए जाएंगे। इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट ने इसराइली वज़ीराअज़म नेतन्याहू के वारंट गिरफ्तारी जारी करने का फैसला किया है।
We're here at the ICC. You are today announcing that you are applying for arrest warrants for top military and political leadership in the Israel-Gaza war since the October 7th events. First and foremost, explain to me exactly what you're asking for and who you are charging.
Today, Christian, we've applied for warrants to the pre-trial chamber of the International Criminal Court in relation to 3 individuals that are Hamas members. Sinwar, who's in charge on the ground.
That's Yahya Sinwar?
Absolutely. Daif, who's in charge of the Al-Qasim Brigade. And Hania, who's one of their political bureau based in Doha.
What are the charges?
The charges are extermination, murder, taking of hostages, rape and sexual assault in detention. So these are the key crimes that are alleged to have been committed by these 3 individuals. The world was shocked on the 7th of October when people were ripped from their bedrooms, from their homes, from the different kibbutzim in Israel. And people have suffered enormously, and we have a variety of evidence to support the applications that we've submitted to the judges.
You have also issued warrants against the top political and military leadership of the government of the State of Israel.
We've applied for warrants. Of course, the judges must determine whether or not to issue them, but we've applied today. We'll apply for warrants for Prime Minister Netanyahu and also Minister of Defense Gallant for crimes of causing extermination, causing starvation as a method of war, including the denial of humanitarian relief supplies, deliberately targeting civilians in conflict,